Welcome to the Vertical Subtraction app. This app accompanies the algorithm of subtraction with a visual representation of the question, so the students gain a better understanding of the meaning of the algorithm. We see the top 3 numbers are represented here with coins, and the bottom 3 numbers are represented with these coins, which have an X to represent them taking away value from the coins on top. Let's start the subtraction with the algorithm. So we have 5 minus 3, which gives us 2. So note, we can scribble on this gray area even without clicking the scribble button. In the visual part, we take these 3 that we are subtracting and place them on the 5. And we are left with the 2. And we can see the 3 subtracted units have faded. Let's move on to the tens. 4 tens minus 2 tens gives us again 2. And we'll do the same here. And 3 minus 2, 1. And the same thing with the hundreds. And we can see the final answer, 122. And here in the visual part, 100, 2 tens, and 2 units. Now let's change the question. We're going to leave the 345 and subtract 158. And click to start solving. Here we have the problem, of course, of 8 being larger than 5, so we can't take 8 out of 5. We can place that on top here, and nothing will happen. So we'll take 110, place it here, and let go. And now we have this button, Break. Let's click it. And the 10 broke into 10 units. Let's drag them here, and they combine. So in the algorithm, instead of 4 tens, we now only have 3 tens. And instead of 5, we have 15. So we can see how this visual part helps us understand the meaning of this algorithm. Now we can subtract the 8 from the 15, and we're left with 7. We look at the tens. Again, we have to subtract more tens than we have here. Let's take the 100, let go, click Break, and connect these 10 here. So we no longer have 3 hundreds, but only 2, and we have 13 tens. Let's subtract the 5. And we're left with 8 tens. And with the hundreds, we simply subtract the 1 and get 187 that we can see here. 100, 8 tens, and 7 units. We can use this app all the way to questions ranging up to hundreds of thousands. So let's try this. Click Start Solving. We can also work with decimals. 1.3 minus 0.8, for example. Click Start Solving. And we can break a unit into tenths. And write 0.5. We hope the students will now be able to solve the algorithm and also have a deeper understanding of its meaning. We hope you enjoy using it in class.